PNI SafeHouse surveillance camera can be installed in any location where a power source is missing. The 4 batteries included ensure the operation of the camera even from a few weeks to a few months, depending on the music and recording mode. The solar panel ensures the recharging of the batteries. The battery charge level is indicated in the dedicated Tuya Smart mobile application. To access, monitor and control the camera remotely via the internet from any mobile device with Android or iOS operating system, you have at your disposal the free application Tuya Smart or Smart Life applications that offer you full access to the camera functions. The PNI SafeHome comes with a special and unique function, namely that of motion detection by intelligent PER sensor. What exactly does the PER sensor do? Detects a hot moving body or object, humans or animals, and triggers an event depending on the setting made by the user. It can trigger recording or even send a notification in the dedicated application on the mobile phone if there is a camera connection to the internet. Being equipped internally with a speaker and microphone, the camera allows the bidirectional auto communication with the monitored area. You can send instant audio messages to people caught by the camera, and you can listen to the noises in the monitored area. The PNI camera is equipped with a microSD card slot that allows you, by inserting a memory card